Me and Deasia will be doing the best friend tag, but with water balloons.
Okay.
What's my favorite saying?
I'm just because
Because I said on top, and you get mad.
I get mad. I don't know. Are you guys ready? Oh! Get back! No. I can redo it. What's my favorite? Wait, hold on. Yeah, what's my favorite animal?
Giraffe.
Dang it.
My turn. What's my favorite color?
Pink. Okay. Who's my favorite singer? I'll give you a hint. It's a band.
Black No Frogs.
No.
Oh my god!
It's Fallout Boy.
No, it's not. It's 21 Pilots.
Oh.
This is not gonna work!
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'm grabbing my food. What's my birthday? All of it.
All of it. It's February. Wait, you're 17 now, right? 1990.
What?
6, I don't know.
Nope. Turn around. I'm
4.
gonna do it your back.
4.
No.
5.
No! This is not
Suck.
fun. Okay, now we just go. You can just break them on top of their head now.
Not on top of my head. Okay. What?
On the back then.
Huh?
Okay, go.
What is my favorite season?
Summer. Spring.
No.
Oh.
Winter.
Oh, that bird! Oh.
Yeah, no.
What's my favorite season?
Summer.
No! Steak seasoning!
Wait, no, that's no! That is not what. That is. Oh, God, I freaking hate you. No! No! I'm not doing that. Okay.
Oh, burns.
What's my favorite color?
Why could it be? Favorite color. Your favorite color is. What do you want?
Pause it.
What are you doing?
Can you pause it?
Go.
What's my favorite food?
Sushi.
Nope.
You told me. You told me the other
I
day.
told you I changed it.
Nuh-uh, you said you changed it from Chinese or something else to
I changed
shrimp.
it from sushi to shrimp.
Yeah.
That's not Chinese.
The same thing.
No, it's not.
See? Shrimp.
I'll hurry
It's
up.
fish.
Sushi's fish.
You said sushi.
Oh, I didn't. I said shrimp.
No, you didn't.
Swear? I meant shrimp.
Too bad.
Oh my god!
That's what I said.
Don't just do this to it. Because it fucking burns.
That's
Baby crap! Hand in my butt.
Good job, buddy.
Go. What's your?
What's my favorite food?
Japanese.
No, I changed it.
You can't know because you never told me anything about Japanese or chicken.
I did other question.
Hey. She got it wrong.
How?
Cause it's chicken. Chicken's your favorite food.
Okay, when he has to tell you your favorite food, I was right because you don't even know, obviously.